Hello there everybody, I hope that you are doing well. I am Hamza Farahat, Python web scraper expert. Today we will explain some of powerful tools to scrap lead generation, emails, addresses, and so on. Also the phone numbers and so on. As you see here, the website is for the auto niche, which is automobile and etc. And as we see, we have here the details that we actually want to extract. You see, we have here the company names, the mobile emails, the site, and etc. And also we have a load more button in the bottom. After each click, we will see a new list appears with us, and it keeps appear with us. You see, the script is made to scrap from those kind of websites actually not doing not supporting the paginations, but let's say the load more button is just represented as a vertical paginations, you know. Okay, so we have the script already here on our laptop or our machine. Let's try to run it. I'm already installed the requirements and all the initial stuff. You can see here the requirements and how to use script. Okay, let's simply run and we will see how much it takes to actually extract all those data. As you see over here, the script is using asynchronous and parallel stuff to extract the data. It's batch. Keep in mind that actually my speed test is not too much high, as you will see here. It's just we have here a middle, let's say a middle speed of internet. You see? Yes, let's scroll all the way down, and we see in the total script time it's only 12.41 seconds, and also it extracts all the data as you see here on the logs and save it as the CSV file. Let's open it to check the data health. Get this Explorer window here and try to open it. Sweet. I have here the business name, the contact person, the mobile and phone. I think this are personal or and this are business phone or something like this. And here we have email addresses and the website of this company. Let's check some name or something. Just copy this and go to the actual website and try to search it. You see, we see here it's Two Sheep Cars, Monaco. We have here, where is it here? You see, this is the business name. Let's simply again copy this one, sales. Have it here. Let's scroll all sometime. Scroll a little bit down and see, yes, also the script, it's got all the data until the bottom. Actually, if you want to do it manually or one by one, it will take a long time. And yeah, that's it about this script for now, and thank you for watching. Take care.